The Exorcist is a famous horror movie made in 1973. The movie is based on the novel The Exorcist by William Peter. The story is about a young girl who is possessed by the devil. The movie shows that Regan, the daughter of a movie star Chris, is possessed by the devil, that is, she becomes possessed and her condition begins to deteriorate. She starts doing strange and scary things, such as walking downstairs with her hands and feet upside down, vomiting repeatedly, and speaking in another language. The movie shows that the girl is in severe pain under the possession of the devil. The words, "Help me," are shown appearing on her body, her bed is shaking badly, and the girl is shown being lifted high off the bed. The girl's suffering increases so much that her mother contacts a priest to exorcise Regan. The priest gets permission from the church for the exorcism and they get permission. Then Father Marine and Father Damien together perform an exorcism of Regan. The demon who was riding Regan kills Father Marine, and then after going through several stages, Father Damien finally asks the demon to ride him to save everyone. As soon as the demon enters the father, he commits suicide by jumping out of the window, and thus the demon also finally leaves Regan. Then Regan's mother takes him to another city. This was the story of the movie The Exorcist. This story was taken from a true incident. This incident happened to a boy Ronald. This boy lived in America in 1949. At that time he was 13 to 14 years old. Ronald often visited his aunt's house. His aunt was an expert in black magic. One day this woman died, and after her death, mysterious events started happening to Ronald and his family. Strange sounds came from their house at night, like the sound of falling water or the sound of someone scratching the walls with their nails. Ronald was getting angry all the time. He said that he felt that there was someone around him. He could feel the rapid footsteps of an invisible object, due to which he could not sleep at night. Nail marks began to appear on Ronald's mattress and even on his body. Gradually, Ronald's situation began to worsen. He would scratch the walls of his room with his nails all day long. He had stopped eating and drinking. Ronald's family treated him a lot, but to no avail. Ronald started vandalizing the house, even tied him to the bed. Then Ronald's family contacted a priest named Raymond. The priest performed exorcisms on Ronald several times, meaning he tried to cast out the demon that had possessed him, and then Ronald gradually began to return to normal. Pastor Raymond shared his experiences in the newspapers of the time, saying that during the treatment he saw that the furniture in Ronald's room would shake spontaneously as if an earthquake had struck. Ronald would vomit several times a day and speak in another language. The story of The Exorcist was taken from the life of this boy.